जो मैं तुझसे मिला, थोड़ा सबसे जुदा, थोड़ा खुद से हुआ। जो मैं कह ना सका, नजरों में है लिखा, जरा पढ़ के बता तू।
मैं हूँ तेरी आंखों में, तेरी मेरी राहों में, एक पल भी ना
हो फासला।
अब देखूं ना आए जो अब कोई सुबह, तेरे बिना और चाहूं ना हो सच कोई ख्वाब मेरा तेरे बिना।
तेरे बिना हाँ।
देवी 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 देवी, जगत जननी है माता सी बेटी, ये धरती पे जन्मी है देवी। नन्हे से पैरों की आहट है चौखट पे लक्ष्मी सी खन खन, देवी 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 देवी। चंदन सी ठंडक है अग्नि सी दहकी, तपस्वी का तप है देवी। देवी 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 देवी, क्या किस्मत लाया है तेरे घर आंगन में, खुद चल के आई है देवी। नींव बनेगी वो लीड बनेगी, वो सर पे वो साया है देवी 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 देवी। रूठ गई वो जो टूट गई, वो तो प्रलय बनेगी ये देवी।
I saw Krishank join as a new student in a boarding school where we all went together, and Bhumika was also there, and they just started becoming very friendly. And I would, everybody knew that they had a thing going on because, they would just keep looking at each other, smiling at each other. We were really young then, like 13, 14 years old, so we didn't really even know what to make of this. And then suddenly one day I was just told that they are dating, and they were like the first couple in our class, and they set ablaze the fire, and then after them some 3-4 couples others started dating because they got confidence. But yeah, so this is how they first met in boarding school, and since then they've just been together.
Yeah, they kept
Yes.
staring at each other in class throughout.
No canteen during lunch.
Yeah, so and that's how they started, and then they just kept staring at each other like,
And made people
those
awkward
childhood
around
kids who
them.
don't know how to talk and like देखते रहो प्यार हो जाएगा हो गया. One fine day they started dating. Nobody knew about it till Bhumika finally mentioned it to like a few friends. That's how they met. Like they met in school. They knew they were there, but they just started dating because they were staring.
Yeah, that's how it began, and it just stayed on. There were no plans of the future, but I don't know. It somehow just was already planned. That's why we never had a plan. We just went with what happened and made the plan as we went.
ਭਾਰੀ ਵਰਸੀ ਖੱਟਣ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਖੱਟ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਂਦੀ ਡੁੱਗੀ ਢੋਲਕ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਗਰੂਪ ਪਕੜ ਲੈ ਮੂਵ ਤੂੰ ਬੁੱਗੀ ਬੁੱਗੀ ਕੇ ਮਹਿਫਿਲ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦੀ ਕੇ ਮਹਿਫਿਲ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦੀ ਸਭ ਕਰਦੇ ਬੁੱਗੀ ਬੁੱਗੀ ਕੇ ਮਹਿਫਿਲ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦੀ ਆਂਗਨ ਮੈਂ ਬੁੱਗੀ ਬੁੱਗੀ ਕੇ ਮਹਿਫਿਲ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦੀ
भारी बरसी खटन गया सी खट के लियांदी कौन दूल्हे का ताया ट्विस्ट करे वाइब्रेट हो मोटी टोन भारी बरसी खटन गया सी खट के लियांदा खजूर दुल्हन की ताई बोल्ड बड़ी चैलेंज करे मंजूर कि मैं फलता सकती थी नचे गाया करी कि मैं फलता सकती थी नचे गाया करी कि मैं फलता सकती भारी बरसी खटन गया सी खट के लियांदे जेवर पांच पाए नोटी नोटी से दुल्हन के देवर दुल्हन के देवर दुल्हन के देवर भारी बरसी खटन गया सी खट के लियांदे डाली देख के उनको नाक से कोड़े जो दूल्हे की साली मैं फलता सकती कि मैं फलता सकती थी नचे के बरसाली कि मैं फलता सकती थी नचे के बरसाली कि मैं फलता सकती थी सबकी होगी बाबरी वाह नहीं किसी की टुकड़ुकड़ू सबकी होगी बाबरी वाह नहीं किसी की टुकड़ुकड़ू बन्नो बन्नो की जिंदड़ी दी हाय बन्नो बन्नो की जिंदड़ी दी किटी हुई शुरू सबकी होगी बाबरी वाह नहीं किसी की टुकड़ुकड़ू सबकी होगी बाबरी वाह नहीं किसी की टुकड़ुकड़ू
is a very different kind of feeling, which it's very difficult to express in
She
words.
was very mature from the beginning.
And
That is the thing. Sometimes she used to behave more mature, more maturely than us. One that day when we dropped her in the boarding school, she was standing in the veranda, and myself, my husband, my sister-in-law, we both, three of us, accompanied her to her boarding school. And I was a bit upset how come she will survive there and all that. And we three were crying, but she so confident, so strong, and yeah, I will manage. And that is the thing, I find her very, very mature, very, very strong from the beginning only.
The day they decided and the families met, the first thing that came to my mind was that, I was a mother of one and now I'm the mother of two. So that I felt like, I'm getting a daughter which I never had, and it's a great feeling to have daughters. Let me tell you, sons are great, they love you a lot, but daughters they bring in softness in your life, they bring in emotions in your life. So that's what we felt with her. And there's so much of love flowing in our house when she's around.
Guru
आगे रे, जाने क्या हो अब आगे रे, पिया तो से, पिया तो से, पिया तो से नैना लागे रे, रात को जब चांद चमके जल उठे तन मेरा, मैं कहूँ मत करो चंदा इस गली का फेरा, हाँ हाँ हो, रात को जब चांद चमके जल उठे तन मेरा, मैं कहूँ मत करो चंदा इस गली का फेरा, आना मोरा सैया जब आए, चमकना उस रात को जब मिलेंगे तन मन, मिलेंगे तन मन, पिया तो से, पिया तो से, पिया तो से नैना लागे रे, नैना लागे रे, जाने क्या हो अब आगे रे, नैना लागे रे, पिया तो से नैना लागे रे, हो आई होली आई, हो सब रंग लाई, बिन तेरे होली भी ना भाए, हाय हो भर पिचकारी, सखियों ने मारी, भीगी मोरी सारी, हाय हाय, तन बदन मोरा कांपे धर धर, धिनक दिन दिन, धिनक दिन दिन, पिया तो से नैना लागे रे, जाने क्या हो अब आगे रे, नैना लागे रे, पिया तो से नैना लागे रे.
Krishank is a very sensitive child, but he is a very people's child. He used to love being with people. He's a very social person also. I remember that he was so sensitive about people, and he also said, you know, कि these are my cousins, and they are not my cousins. They are my real brothers and sisters. Whatever you do for me, you should do for them also. So this coming from the child was very, very like a happy thing, you know. It was not that he's a single child and he's selfish or he has his own. He always has this sharing attitude.
Like I think both of them are extremely welcoming people.
Yeah.
you know? Like they're like just
Oh, I know exactly what.
Yeah.
you know, as a couple, like when they meet new people or whatever, they're extremely warm and welcoming, you know. Like they put that extra effort to, you know, involve you and like include you.
I have
You
a
know?
story for that. They met my friends, okay, whom they have never met before, and they actually influenced them in certain ways that they were like, till date, ask me, how are Bhumika and Krishank? They are influencers, and they are so in sync and connected that they know what each other is thinking about, thinking of doing, and they can perceive it so openly. That is something again very
Like they're very strong on their aesthetics. So they, you know, they always project that to whomever they meet. Like whenever they meet you, you'll have an imprint of some sort when you meet, which is very rare, I feel, and that's beautiful because they both have it in different ways, and that's how I think they just complement each other so well.
Actually, about both of them, I feel like at this wedding, the way that they've just been able to prioritize everyone over themselves, like just being there for people, just being like, oh yeah, you look beautiful, and you know, you should eat, and like just everything about like yeah, oh, you want to talk to me? Yeah, we've not talked. Why don't I go with you inside the room? Bhumika literally tonight told me, oh, we've not talked enough. Why don't we go inside a room? Like, it's just like she wanted to hear my problems on her wedding night. And so this is who they are, you know, they're just a very selfless, that is what makes them them.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I
चढ़िया मित्रो खुशियां ने हथ फड़िया मित्रो रात गई दिन चढ़िया मित्रो खुशियां ने हथ फड़िया मित्रो दिल छलांगा मारे जद जद ढोल है बजदा अज मेरा नचण नू अज मेरा नचण नू जी करदा हो अज तेरा नचण नू जी करदा हो अज मेरा नचण नू जी करदा हो अज तेरा नचण नू जी करदा ਫਿਕਰਾਂ ਸ਼ਿਕਰਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਨਾਉਣਾ ਜਸ਼ਨ ਉਹ ਮਿੱਤਰਾ ਅੱਜ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਭੰਗੜੇ ਪਾਉਣੇ ਨੇ ਓ ਚਾਰੋਂ ਪਾਸੇ ਤੁੰਬੀ ਵਾਲਾ ਸ਼ੋਰ ਹੈ ਮੱਚਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰਾ ਨੱਚਣ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰਾ ਨੱਚਣ ਨੂੰ ਜੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੋ ਅੱਜ ਤੇਰਾ ਨੱਚਣ ਨੂੰ ਜੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੋ ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰਾ ਨੱਚਣ ਨੂੰ ਜੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੋ ਅੱਜ ਤੇਰਾ ਨੱਚਣ ਨੂੰ ਜੀ ਕਰਦਾ
I'm actually singing the song that Bhumi loves and that basically signifies their wedding.
And what she entered.
And it's the song that she entered
her mandap.
Yeah. And she's just never heard me sing this and yeah. Pavan jai stuti patra pavana charitra रवि सोम वरनेत्र रमणीय गात्र सीता कल्याण वैभोग में रामा कल्याण वैभोग में
are extremely willing to learn. So if I have to say something to her, I will. I know now how to say it to her. Basically, it's simpler that way, right? So instead of telling it to her, "Arey kya hai?" or whatever, I would be like, "ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा देख के try कर," something like that. So even if she does get offended, she's learned something new and she's okay to understand and implement it next time. So similarly, both of us, at least I feel like that. If somebody tells and brings to my attention that okay, this is not working or this is not, I will learn from that. So both are extremely willing to learn, and that's crucial and key to a longevity of a relationship.
I just never ever thought of another person in my life. Yeah, because I never thought I would ever be in a relationship. I always thought I will never be married. But that's not because, like, it's just because I don't think I ever felt I know investments can be like investments, something, relationships can be such a big investment. So I just never saw myself connecting like that with a person. And maybe because I never thought such stuff in my adult life because I always had him. Yeah, weirdly.
Yeah.
So, yeah, like, we've been through a lot, but...
a lot.
Yeah, a lot. Yes, and we've given each other that space to be, and I hope that continues. Even though we'll be staying here for
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have
for us. We know Bhumika for last now 12 years from the school days when they were together in 8th standard, and gradually they have developed this relationship which has now today on 26th Jan it has been they are married and have taken a vow to be for each other for life. For us, it's a moment of happiness. Entire family of ours and the Ray family. We wish them a great future, a
And
happy
happiness.
future.
We wish them happiness always. That is the only thing. Everything else you get, but happiness is something which will really make their life more joyful.
Alabama, Arkansas, I do love my mom and pop, not the way that I do love you.
Well, holy moly, me oh my, you're the apple of my eye. Girl, I never loved one like you.
Man, oh man, you're my best friend. I scream it too. There's nothing that, there ain't nothing that I need.
Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ, ain't nothing please me more than you.
Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
I follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. Girl, I never loved one like you.
Boats and boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I've been everywhere with you.
That's true. Laughing till we think we're down, barefoot on the summer night. Never could be sweeter than with you.
And in the streets you run a free like it's only you and me. Cheers, you're something to see. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
As a newlywed couple, I will not congratulate. I will not advise also. I will only tell one thing, that they have decided to follow a journey. Let them follow it with devotion and with due care to each other, and knowingly that they are having the enough strength with them and other thing. And as parents, I personally along with my wife, we are confident, and they will fulfill the journey in a nice way. You may be telling that as a parent, why I am not congratulating. Once I will congratulate something, I will tell that journey is finished, right? So journey has just started. So let them do the journey, our blessings, God and Guru's blessings are there. So they are made for each other. They have decided to move together. Let them.
मैं कभी भी किसी भी पराई लड़की की तरफ पराई लड़की की तरफ
मत बोल
आँख उठा के नहीं देखूंगा Okay, one promise, Bhumika, even you have to give in. मैं कभी भी जभी भी शॉपिंग पर जाऊंगी तब मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरे ही पापा का क्रेडिट कार्ड यूज करूंगी।
आज से भरत मलिक ही है तेरे पापा।